हाय विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, या केमिस्ट्रीच्या या चमत्कारिक दुनियेमध्ये तुमचं सहर्ष स्वागत. बाळांनो, एपीजे अब्दुल कलामांचं एक वाक्य आहे, टुडेज ड्रीम्स कॅन बी टुमॉरोज रियालिटी. म्हणजे आजची स्वप्न ही उद्याची वास्तवता असेल. म्हणून बाळांनो, आज तुमचं जे स्वप्न पाहणार आहात ते स्वप्न पूर्ण होण्यासाठी तुम्ही धडपडलं पाहिजे, प्रयत्न केलं पाहिजेत, कष्ट केलं पाहिजेत, तरच तुम्ही चांगलं करिअर, चांगलं व्यक्तिमत्व घडेल. अगदी याच प्रमाणात तुमच्या आयुष्यामध्ये चांगलं काम करणं हे फार गरजेचं आहे. सो वर्क very hard. In previous lecture we completed the preparation of primary amine by using reduction of alkyl cyanide. Today I am going to start preparation of amine by using reduction of amide. So let's start the preparation of amine by reduction of amide. The formula RCONH2. म्हणून काय सांगितलं बघा, मला अमाइन तयार करायचं आहे. मग कुणापासून बनवणार आहे? रिडक्शन ऑफ अमाइड पासून मला काय करायचं आहे? अमाइन बनवायचं. पण पहिल्यांदा मला अमाइन हे म्हणजे अमाइड कसं बनवायचं हे कळायला पाहिजे. सो फर्स्ट वी डिस्कस फॉर्मेशन ऑफ amide. Look here, how will you prepare amide? When that is carboxylic acid. It is a carboxylic acid. This carboxylic acid reacts with ammonia. It gives, look here, RCOONH4. That is ammonium salt. This ammonium salt on heat, what happened here? The formation of RCONH2 and removal of a water molecule. So formation of amide. So look here, when carboxylic acid treated with ammonia, it gives ammonium salt, which on heating gives amide. Another method for preparation of amide, look here, when acyl chloride, that is RCOCl, that is acyl chloride. When acyl chloride treated with ammonia, what happened here? So 1H from NH3 and Cl removed away, HCl is removed away, and formation of, look here, RCONH2 means the formation of amide takes place. In this way we prepare the amide. Prepare by amide by using carboxylic acid and by using acyl chloride. Do you understand? Yes, you can better understand. विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, आता अमाइड कसं तयार करायचं बघितलं. आता मी काय करणार आहे, या अमाइडचा वापर करून प्रायमरी, सेकंडरी आणि टर्शरी अमाइन कसं बनवणार आहे हे आपण बघायचं आहे. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट. फर्स्ट preparation of primary amine. Preparation of primary amine by using reduction of by using reduction of primary amide, reduction of a primary amide. म्हणजे बाळांनो काय सांगितलं बघा, हे जे प्रायमरी अमाइन आहे हे प्रायमरी अमाइन मला प्रायमरी अमाइड पासून बनवणार आहे. कसं बनवायचं, लुक हियर. फर्स्ट जनरल रिएक्शन when RCONH2, it is a primary amide. It is a primary amide. It is a primary amide. When primary amide undergoes reduction in presence of look here, in presence of NaC2H5OH means sodium and ethanol, or LiAlEH4. What happened here? 2H adds to carbon, and these two hydrogen and oxygen, that is a water molecule removed away. And formation of, look here, this R CH2 and this NH2. So formation of a primary amine. So this primary amide convert into primary amine. So take the example here. R means alkyl group. Look here, CH3 CONH2. So name of the compound is, it is an aceto group. So acetaamide. This acetamide means primary amide. This acetaamide undergoes reduction in presence of LiAlEH4, lithium aluminum hydride, and NaC2H5OH. What happened here? Look here. 2H adds to this carbon, and 2 hydrogen remove the water molecule, and formation of, look here, this CH3, this 2 means CH2, and here NH2. So name of the compound, it is ethyl. And amine, or another name, it is a primary amine. In this way the primary amide converted into primary amine. बाळांनो प्रायमरी अमाइन कसं तयार करायचं बघितलं. आता काय करणार आहे, प्रिपरेशन of secondary amine by reduction of secondary amide. बरं काय म्हटलं बघा, मला सेकंडरी अमाइन तयार करायचं आहे. कोणापासून, सेकंडरी अमाइड पासून. कसं करायचं, लुक हियर. फर्स्ट जनरल रिएक्शन, लुक हियर. when it is R CO here, this H 1H replaced by R, so it is a secondary amide. This secondary amide undergoes reduction in presence of what, look here, NaC2H5OH and LiAlEH4. What happened, look here, this 2H adds to carbon, and these two hydrogen removed oxygen, so removal of a water molecule and formation of, look here, these are CH2 here, this NH and these are, so it is a name of the compound is a secondary amine. So how will you prepare? Example, look here. Example means this is only R means CH3, so it is R means CH3. Look here, CH3 CO NH CH3. So name of the compound is N-methyl acetamide. N-methyl acetamide. This N-methyl acetamide treated or reduction in presence of LiAlH4 NaC2H5OH. What happened? Look here. This 2H adds to carbon, 2 hydrogen removed oxygen, so formation of water molecule. So what happened here? So first formation of here CH3, it is CH2, it is NH and CH3. So name of the compound is ethyl methyl amine. Ethyl methyl amine or secondary amine. So it when secondary amide, look here, when secondary amide undergoes reduction in presence of NaC2H5, it gives a secondary amine, that is ethyl methyl amine. Do you understand? Yes, you can better understand. भावांनो, सेकंडरी अमाइड पासून सेकंडरी अमाइन कसं तयार करायचं बघितलं. आता तिसरं बघा, थर्ड प्रिपरेशन ऑफ tertiary amine by using reduction of tertiary amide. म्हणजे म्हणून काय सांगितलं, टर्शरी अमाइड मला बनवायचं आहे आणि ते कोणापासून बनवायचं आहे, तर टर्शरी अमाइड पासून बनवायचं आहे. मग कसं बनवायचं? लुक हियर, वेन द फॉर्म्युला, जनरल फॉर्म्युला RCO, here N, 2H replaced by 2 alkyl group. It is a tertiary amide. This tertiary amide undergoes reduction in presence of LiAlH4 and NaC2H5OH. What happened here? Look here. This 2H adds to this carbon and these 2H2 and oxygen removed away. So water molecule removed away. So what happened? What is the formation of compound here? Look here. R CH2, here this N, R and R. So formation of a tertiary amide. So look here, the reaction. Where the R, we take a CH3. Suppose here R means CH3. This CO, here N, CH3. So what is the name of the compound? N dimethyl acetamide. N means two methyl group bonded to nitrogen. So N dimethyl acetamide. Look here, N dimethyl, it is acid group. So N dimethyl acetamide undergoes reduction in presence of LiAlH4 or NaC2H5OH. What happened? Look here. This here two hydrogen adds to carbon, and this two hydrogen and oxygen removed away, means water molecule removed away. What is the formation? Look here. CH3, it is CH2, here N, and this CH3 and CH3. What is the name of the compound? So ethyl dimethylamine. Ethyl dimethylamine. In this way, look here, N dimethyl acetamide undergoes reduction, it gives ethyl dimethylamine. Means here tertiary amides convert into tertiary amine. In this way, we complete the preparation of primary, secondary and tertiary amine by using primary amide, secondary amide and tertiary amide. बाळांनो, शेवटच्या पॉइंटकडे मी बोलतोय की तुमच्या पुस्तकामध्ये यूज युअर ब्रेन पॉवर हा एक मुद्दा आहे, आणि त्या मुद्द्यामध्ये एक क्वेश्चन आहे. तो क्वेश्चन असा आहे, कन्वर्ट benzaamide into benzylamine. म्हणजे म्हणून काय सांगितलंय की जे बेन्झामाइड जे आहे याचं रूपांतर बेन्झिल अमाइड मध्ये करायचं आहे. कसं करायचं बघा, यामध्ये ही बेन्झिन रिंग आहे, इथं C आहे, इथं NH2 आहे. It is a benzamide. When this benzamide undergoes reduction in presence of LiAlH4 and NaC2H5OH. What happened here? 2 adds here, and 2 hydrogen take the oxygen and removed away, means water molecule removed away. So formation of, look here, formation of CH2 and NH2. So name of the compound is benzylamine. म्हणजे आपण काय केलं, ह्या बेन्झामाइड पासून बेन्झिल अमाइन आपण मिळवलं. म्हणजेच काय, रिडक्शन केलं. कुणाच्या माध्यमामध्ये? सोडियम आणि इथेनॉलच्या माध्यमामध्ये आपण बेन्झिलामाइन तयार केलं. इन दिस वे वी कंप्लीट द प्रिपरेशन मेथड फॉर प्रायमरी, सेकंडरी अँड टर्शरी अमाइन बाय युजिंग प्रायमरी, secondary and tertiary amide. So today I will stop here. We will meet at the next lecture with interesting method of preparation of amine by using Gabriel-Thalhamide synthesis and Hofmann degradation method. Till then, goodbye. Take care and yourself and your family. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you very much.